Hello again and welcome back to another AC tutorial. If you're using ActiveCampaign, you know how important automation is for keeping your marketing campaigns running smoothly. And today we have some exciting news for you. ActiveCampaign has just released an upgraded wait action in automation, which is one of the most requested features by users. This update gives you more control over wait times, eliminates confusion, and allows for smarter automation timing. Now if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. You've asked and we listened. With this upgrade, we have 3 powerful new options. Wait until a specific date. This allows you to schedule the action for a fixed date, like sending a campaign on a holiday or special event. Wait for custom duration. Instead of waiting for days or hours, you can now set a precise time for the waiting step, such as wait for a day, 3 hours, and 5 minutes. Wait relative to a custom field. This one is a game changer. You can now set up the waiting step based on a context custom field. For example, wait until 3 days after subscription date. This makes your automation sequence even more dynamic and personalized. Now go into automations and choose creating an automation from scratch or editing an existing one. Now, where you want to place the waiting step, you're gonna click into the plus button, click into conditions and workflow, and select the waiting step option that you prefer. And that's it! The new waiting step in ActiveCampaign gives you more precision and flexibility in your automations. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.